Day 7, bright and early. Well, it's not very bright, but we are here because got rained out yesterday. They're going to try to cram a bunch of races in this morning and do some creative mixing of races, and hopefully we'll get all the races in that need to be, because today's the last day of races and we got the banquet tonight. And wow, everybody seems to be here already. Devoted paddlers, day 7. We got here at like 5 o'clock and put all these up.
We just got them put.
Oh my goodness.
Notice you arrived directly on time.
I was perfect. We are currently defending our boats from the skunks because they're being chased from one team to another. They're going down to the water and we're trying not to let them come over towards our boats. There is a skunk in that white boat right now.
They don't know. I don't know.
They're gonna learn today.
Yeah. What's it feel like to be the cheerleader slash drill sergeant for the team?
You know, I love it. My voice has finally started giving up. I tried to scream and it just went straight to a whistle note and no sound came out.
Yeah, the things that you've been saying, I wish I had. I think one time I heard you say you didn't travel all this way to stop paddling.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Sometimes people get nervous and they get to the last and they're like, I'm not winning. I should just stop. But you didn't paddle this whole way as hard as you can.
To quit at
You
the
didn't.
end. Yeah.
Someone, Dimitri was telling me something very profound. He was like, your nervousness or your lack of confidence is a disservice to all of the work you've put in up to this point.
Wow, that's deep.
Yes.
We need to come up with a title for you. I'm working on that right now.
Spirit coordinator.
Spirit coordinator.
Spirit coordinator.
That doesn't get the drill sergeant side
I
of it.
think I'm gonna get
Sergeant spirit coordinator. Sergeant Spirit. There it is. Sergeant
I'm gonna get a drill hat. I'll find someone.
And we're gonna engrave it.
Yes, it'll be bright
Sergeant
yellow.
Spirit. It just happened right now.
I ordered it on the first day, but I did pay $10 for shipping for the dress.
Worth every penny.
Yeah.
Oh, there's like a lot.
This is the head.
There's a lot going on over here.
Body.
Oh, I
and
see
then
it.
There's a spike.
Very cool. All right, what's going on over here, ladies? We're looking at fingernails.
Comparing tans.
Oh, tans.
Yes.
That's so much better than fingernails.
Okay.
I just saw the glitter. Nice. Wait, there's no glitter.
Yeah, I don't have it. I need to go here.
You're anti. So what do you have against glitter?
I don't have anything against glitter. I just did not go.
You weren't there at the moment.
The water.
Okay. Where did you get this glitter, ladies?
The Hawaii girl.
Maybe I should go over and get some of that.
Oh, you should. You should.
Yeah, we would be so excited.
Wait.
You're good. You're good. You're good. So I'm thinking this is probably a bad idea. What do you think?
What?
What?
It's a great idea.
Tell me what happened with your weight.
The rail that under my seat,
Yeah.
it's fallen out before.
Yeah.
But I opened my seat cockpit for the first K1 race of the day and it was just there, not where it's supposed to be.
Nice.
So I
Used
grabbed somebody's random boat and I used it.
And you like killed it.
Yeah, I got first.
Good job.
Gotta get it.
We talked to you on the first day, now we're talking to you on the last day. How do you think we did?
Oh man, well we're not done yet.
True.
But based off of the results of each day, I think we did pretty dang good.
Good. Proud of the kids?
Oh yeah, I'm really proud of them. We've definitely learned a lot, but
Flexibility, I think, is one of the lessons.
adaptability, flexibility, being able to just turn it on when they need to. Lots of good stuff.
On the water, off the water, back on the water.
Yeah.
Paddle, get off the water, something like that.
Yeah, racing for their lives, all the things.
No, it was fun.
Yes.
You're doing great, thanks.
Thank you.
All right, if we were handing out the Most Improved Paddler of the Year award, tell me why you should deserve it.
Why me?
Yes.
I mean, I guess I've improved a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah. Well, I got like...
What'd you get last year? What'd you get this year?
I got like 117 last year, and I got 57 this year.
That's a huge improvement. Good job.
Thank you.
You look great out there.
Go Weston!
How did you guys do?
Pretty interesting.
What happened?
It was a 6-minute hot swap.
Yeah,
So-
I see all these boats coming in and going out. This is crazy today.
Yeah, it is pretty crazy. So my K2 partner Connor had to do a 200, go down there to the end, come back over here, hop in the boat, change settings, and then go.
Yeah, that
And
was
then
nuts.
We went right here. Now he's hot swapping into another boat. So it's been pretty crazy. But overall, I think we did pretty good.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, I've been staying out of everybody's way because there's boats coming and going and people coming and going. So you're like my only interview today.
Nice.
Awesome. Good job, man. So this is your very first nationals.
First nationals.
As a parent, tell me what you think about it.
I am so excited to see the different levels, and so for having a younger athlete, it's really inspirational to see where she can go and just how these kids work together, not only against a team, but with the other teams and the shared boats. I didn't know that was a thing.
Right. You learn a lot. The first year,
Yeah.
there's a very sharp learning curve.
Yes.
So, yeah, this is only our second year, so
Okay.
we don't know it all, but it's been a lot of fun. So.
I'm learning, and I'm looking forward to volunteering in more things next year.
You should
so
do
I wanted
that.
to
Yes. Get it.
figure this all out
Yes.
this year. I was here for setup early this morning, and that was my
Yeah.
in the dark. That was
tough.
That was a good
It's
time.
tough.
Fighting off the skunks. We
But
did
yeah,
that.
but now you're gonna volunteer next year.
Next year, yeah. Allison told me I need to be an announcer. So.
Oh, that'd be great.
Yeah.
Was that your last race?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we're all crying a little bit of a tear right now.
too.
How many years is that now at nationals?
That's my 8th national. This is my 3rd.
Wow. Good job, ladies. You did great.
Thank you.
Boom. Well, that wraps it up for day 7. We had a great time, and the award ceremony was really good. If you're interested in the results, you can comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, let us know. Subscribe, hit the bell, and that's it. Awesome trip. Gig Harbor did great. Super proud of the girls.